You're going to cook some more pastry? Okay, tip it out. Do you know how to get it out? See if you can get it out. Do you want some help?
Yeah.
You want some help? There we go. You should be able to tip it out now. Just tip it out onto the bench. Okay, now we'll put this up here.
Yeah.
You got your star. You haven't rolled it out yet. You've got to roll out the pastry before you make a star.
Yeah.
The roller's behind you on the ground. Behind you, the yellow roller. There it is. Okay, roll. What's your rolling song? What's your rolling song? That wasn't much of a roll. Want Daddy help you? Okay. Put it down on the bench. Okay, we'll roll it out. What's your rolling song? Have you got a rolling song? Roll, roll, roll. Oh, that'll do, will it? Okay, now you're going to make a star. Press it really hard. Did you press it hard enough?
Yeah.
You pressed it hard enough? Good job. Now peel the excess off. Peel the excess away. Now what do we do next? You take the star off, and what have you got?
Yeah.
You've got a star? Oh, we're putting it in the oven. Put it in the oven. Now what do we do? Set the oven. Turn it on. Is the oven cooking? Is the oven cooking? Marley, you're looking for your spatula. There it is on the ground. Okay, so it's cooked, has it? Your star's cooked. Now you get it out of the oven. It's a bit hot. So you've got to use your spatula. Oh, lovely. Look at our beautiful star. Oh, what's going on? Oh, we're putting it in a pot. Oh, and a ball. A pink ball in with the star. Oh, we're stirring it. How's our star going now? What shape is it? Is it still a star? Can Daddy see your star? What's happened to your star? Oh, it's on the spatula. Oh, it's going back in the oven, is it? Back in the oven. What happened? Did you burn your finger?
Yeah.
You burnt your finger in the oven. You've got to be careful. Oh, back in the pot. This is quite a complicated cooking process. Oh, and the ball's very important. Oh, we're still stirring. What's the matter? What's happened?
Yeah.
Well, it's in 2 stars now.
Yeah.
There we go. What have you got? Did you cook that?
Yeah.
Wow, isn't that yummy? Then you put it away in the oven. Oh, we're still cooking it. It's quite a complicated process.